Hello, my name is Chimbina and today I bring you some breaking news. As the Los Angeles Lakers find themselves in the midst of a turbulent season, head coach Darwin'S job security is under scrutiny. Recent reports of a disconnect between Ham and players, fueled by constant lineup changes, have heightened tensions. Despite the mounting issues, the Lakers seem hesitant to part ways with Ham just yet. Acknowledging the early stage of the season and Ham's ability to lead the team through adversity, the front office may be weighing their options carefully. Haven't subscribed yet? Be part of our channel to receive daily updates on contracts, exchanges, and analyses. Let's delve into the most recent news together. In the event of a coaching change, the spotlight turns to potential replacements. While social media buzzes with mentions of former coach Doc Rivers, sources closer to the situation hint at Lakers assistant coach Phil Handy as a prime candidate, according to insights from Sam Amick of The Athletic. Handy, a revered figure within the Lakers organization, boasts popularity among players, fans, and staff. Initially recognized for his prowess in player development, Handy has expanded his role over the years, expressing aspirations to helm his own team. The Lakers' apparent plan A involves sticking with Ham, optimistic that he can navigate the team out of its current struggles. However, if the situation worsens and a coaching shakeup becomes imperative, Handy emerges as a patient and potential successor to take the reins as the team's head coach. What's your take on the potential coaching swap? Do you believe Handy is the answer to the Lakers' woes, or should the team explore other options? Share your thoughts.